coaching thought for the day. So, giving some tips on if you want to become an instructional coach, what steps can you take to help you do better once you get the job and to help you get the job? So, tip number 2 is today, and that is try new things, take risks, do different things in your classroom. What I mean by that is try some strategies. More than anything else, so often the work that I do with teachers is helping them come up with new strategies that they want to try in their classrooms. They hear about something, they want to be brave and do it. So here's my suggestion: do it. Like, do it in your own classroom. Genius Hour is something I've recently been asked about by a few teachers. It's something that thankfully I did in my own classroom, so I can give them real world experience. I have things all set and ready to go. I can help with the rollout and co-teach that to those teachers. Project-based learning, different graphic organizers, anything that you can do that you can provide experience through the lens of a teacher who has already done that thing, go for it and do that thing. When I was my last few years in the classroom before coming into instructional coaching, I got to be part of an innovative educator program, and it was just all about trying new things and pushing yourself and doing different strategies. And so for me, that was invaluable, and I still use so much of those things that I learned, not only just the strategies themselves, but the practical side of things. I use those with teachers daily. So if you are wanting to become an instructional coach, that's your tip for today: is have new strategies, try new things, make some new experiences for yourself and your students.